the vasectomy.
Oh, I remember this from last year.
There is a reason to the madness. All right, Ilya. Now, don't worry. It's just going to be 2 dudes, a balloon, and some whips. Okay? And, sounds like a good time. All right, Ilya. So what's going to happen is we take the balloon, we're going to put it in between your knees, and then I'm going to pop it with the whip. Okay? All right, now, Ilya, is this balloon going to be big enough for you? Are you sure? It is the land of fantasy. You sure? You can be a little bit bigger. All right, that's pretty good. Now, Ilya, I want you to be as comfortable as possible while we're doing this. So step right over here. I'm going to have you lay back down on the tongue. Just put your butt right there on the edge. Right there on the edge. Yeah, just lay back down. Lay back down.
Oh, dear.
Now, turn your head and cough. And if you move your butt closer to the edge, you'll get some support for your neck. There you go. That's right. Knees apart. A little bit knees apart. Back together again. Right around the balloon. Ankles in just a little bit more. Perfect. All right, now it's been a long day at the festival, so when you're going home, I want you smelling good. Here's some Axe body spray for you. Just a little bit for Ilya. Right there. Put on the shoulders. Up the shoulders.
He's not going to yell sleeper anymore.
You smell awesome. All right, Ilya, one more thing. There you go. Okay, now don't watch. The eye contact freaks me out. Here we go. Actually, I'm just kidding about using these 2 whips. Ilya, I don't really need both whips. I only need one.
Oh, the chain whip. That one breaks both.
That's right, don't worry, it's just a standard chain-mail bullwhip made from stainless steel, so it's dishwasher safe. All right, Ilya, because I like you, I'm going to go ahead and warm up first with the chain-mail bullwhip right on this can of soda. You shake that up for me, please. Give it a good solid shake. Really shake it like good hard, a good solid. I'll take that back. Okay, if this happens to spray on anyone, my name is Mooney. One more tune on the harmonica to set the tone.